These are some side hustles that I've tried, and they are legit gonna make you a lot of money if you play your cards right. Number one, dropshipping. Now this could work if you find a winning product before everybody else, but it's definitely not easy as people make it seem. But you gotta learn how to run ads, how to make a store and build it, and build your brand, create your logo, your name, your brand name, everything about your brand. But the winning product is what play the difference. The winning product is the thing that's gonna make your people, your customers, buy from you. Number two, flipping items. This will forever be the best side hustle that I've tried, because you buy items for the low and you sell them for the high, or you sell them for a profit. You go to Facebook Marketplace or whatever type of website that people sell their items, their used items in it, and you buy them, and you negotiate with them to lower the price even more, and you sell them on eBay or whatever website. But you have to clean them, take some good quality images of them, and then sell them on any type of website and tax them high. Number two, affiliate marketing. Now a lot of people tried this one. It's good if you know how to run ads, or you don't need ads if you got a great potential of people. Like if a lot of people following you on social media, you will not need ads. If you got followers on IG or TikTok, you're just gonna post the link, the affiliate link to the product, and then people are gonna buy from your link, and you get a percentage of what the owner of the product earns from you, by the way. Number four, we got delivery apps. Now you can make a great amount of money from these apps, but with the gas prices right now, it will be hard. You gotta learn how to take more tips, if you know what I'm saying, from customers. By the way, this takes a lot of time and a lot of driving, so it's a lot of effort, but it's guaranteed money. Leave a like and a sub if you want some more side hustles like these.